How to see which TikToks are public or private quickly. If you have a lot of videos posted and you just want to be able to see which ones people can see and which they can't see or who can see them, you want to check this out. So start out on your profile page. Then in the top right corner, tap on the icon with three horizontal lines. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you get to the Activity Center, which is underneath the Content and Display section. You can also recognize it because of the little clock icon. Here, scroll down to Manage Post Visibility. Now you can see these little tabs running across the top. All, everyone, friends, only you. All will show all of your videos, regardless of what visibility it has. Everyone will show the videos that anybody can see. Friends will show the ones that you've set so only friends can see, which is people you follow and also follow you back. And finally, the last one is only you, which means that they're, completely private. Only your account can see them. If you want to change the status of a bunch of videos at once, you can go ahead and tap on them. So let's select these three, then tap Next. Now you can see I can very quickly make these videos private or make them so only friends can see them by selecting the option and then tapping Update. That's really all there is to it. Before you go, check this out.